I'm Clay Roughton, 30 years old, and I build hot rods. I first started welding at about 15 years old with vocational school for New Horizons. They really ran through the background of welding and really taught me everything I know with the basics. If anybody wanted to start out welding, really look into a vocational school. Locally for us, Thomas Nelson works with New Horizons, and they do night classes for anybody wanting to weld, which is a awesome thing. Really cheap to kind of get into. They go through all the basics of, torches, grinders, machinery tools, all your welding procedures. They show you everything, they get you certified. I would really recommend going to school for it. Even if you just want to pick it up as a little trade, you can go outside, fix your lawnmowers, fix your tillers, you can fix anything with a weld machine. Welding in general, that is like one of the best professions to be in. You can go anywhere in the whole world and be a welder and make great money doing it. It's like one of the oldest trades, and without it, we wouldn't have buildings, we wouldn't have the ships, the military, nothing. And there's no real negatives. It's really all positive for me. I enjoy it. I do it every day. Wake up in the morning, I look forward to going to weld. There's nothing wrong with it. It's 100% positive every day, all day. It's fun, it's exciting. In the winter time, you're playing with liquid metal, so you're hot. Everything's hot. And in the summertime, well, it's really beneficial. You're outdoors, the garage doors are open, and it's just awesome. Every day I build a new car or 5 in my head, and I guess it's a problem. When I'm 90 years old, only thing I dream about is being in the garage building cars and welding and fixing things, and maybe one day if I have grandkids, showing them the roots of it and just building everything for them too. Some days when you spend 10 hours grinding or welding away, you come home, you're just like, I don't want to do nothing today but sit there. But, gotta be headstrong and really push forward with it. I'll be welding till the day I die. I'll be building cars to the day I die, or motorcycles, or I'm not going to stop. No one's going to stop me.